Hi everyone, it's Soil Merchant from Tectar Solutions. In this tutorial, we are going to learn technique to solve formatting related issues in Microsoft Word with the help of Shift and Control keys. Be with me. So we are back in Microsoft Word, and on my screen you see a document having three different examples. In the first example, we have to deal with the character level formatting. In this paragraph, you can see that we have a text having bold and underline formatting, a text having a change of font color, right? So we want to change this paragraph into a simple text. What we mean? We want to remove bold, underline and each of these character level formatting. So one way to do is to select it, go to your home font and remove bold italic. It's a time consuming job. So what's the shortcut? Select your paragraph and press Ctrl spacebar. And all the character level formatting has been removed by Ctrl spacebar from your text. It's awesome. Second example, we have multiple paragraphs. First paragraph has different line formatting. Second, we have bullet points. Then in the third, we have different line spacing, right? And we want to make this paragraph simple. We want to remove the bullets and we want to keep indentation. What is indentation? The space from this left side we want to keep it, but we want to remove the bullets from this paragraph. Now how we can do it? Select it, right? And on your keyboard press Ctrl Q for Queen, and you can see the magic. With the help of this Ctrl Q option, we have removed or we have made a standard line spacing between the paragraph. We have also removed the bullets. And finally, the last one. In this example, we have a mixture of character level formatting that we solve with the help of Control. Yes, you are right, Control spacebar. The second level, we have paragraph level formatting. But in this example, we have to entertain both of this formatting issue and want to resolve it. How we can do that? So at first, we have to convert this paragraph into normal paragraph formatting. Now we can do it with the help of Control Q. And now we want to make or convert this paragraph into simple normal style. You can see this normal style. We want to convert it. How we can do it? Control. This time you have to also press Shift. So now Control, Shift, and this formatting has been converted into normal. And now we want to convert this paragraph or we want to change character level formatting. So what's the shortcut? Control spacebar. Right? If you like the video, don't forget to press thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get daily notifications from our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Happy learning.